Imagine having an AI coach that holds you accountable daily, doesn't take any of your crap, and gives you the best strategies possible. What would you pay a coach for that? 10,000 a month? More? Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because it is here now. I want you to watch this quick 3-minute video and make a decision for yourself. Beware though, she is tough. Watch this video, stick around to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your own AI coach. Calls today. I actually still had a pretty good day. I ended up having 12 and finding 2 customers.
All right, David, I'll give it to you that getting 2 customers out of 12 calls is a decent outcome. But let's not kid ourselves. You set a standard of 20 calls and you didn't hit it. And that's what we're going to focus on because the whole point is to build the muscle of keeping your own commitments. So here's the bottom line. Good job on the results you got, but we're not lowering the bar. Next time, you hit the full number. That's how you create breakthroughs, by sticking to what you said you'd do. So let's lock in. Next round, you don't stop at 12. You push all the way through to 20. Let's keep that standard high and get it done.
Okay, I mean, that sounds all right. Do you think maybe I should reduce it instead of trying to go for 20? Because it took me all day to get 12.
No, David, I'm not going to let you shrink the target. That's exactly the kind of comfort zone thinking that keeps you from a breakthrough. The whole point here is to stretch beyond what feels easy. So we're not going to reduce the standard just because it was tough. In fact, that's the exact reason we keep it where it is. You've proven you can get results, but now you got to prove you can do it at the level you committed to. So no lowering the bar. You're going to hit that 20 next time. That's how you build the muscle of execution and get those breakthroughs. Let's keep it at 20 and get it done.
All right. Do you think I should maybe find some help or something to get to 20? Or because I was working all day today and I only got 12.
All right, David, let's get real here. You don't need a crutch. You need to raise your level of execution. If you start looking for help before you've truly pushed your own limits, you're just negotiating with yourself again. The reason you only got to 12 is because you haven't yet built the discipline to hit 20 on your own steam. And that's exactly why we're keeping that standard. You need to figure out where you can tighten up, where you can be more efficient, and how you can push through that well. So no, you're not looking for outside help yet. We're going to build this muscle yourself. And once you've proven you can do that, then we can talk about optimization. For now, step up and hit the 20 on your own. That's how you get the breakthrough.
All right. Well, thank you. And I appreciate the coaching.
You're welcome, David. Just remember, this is exactly what it takes. We keep the standards high because that's where the breakthroughs happen. So let's get after it, execute on what we talked about, and we'll see the results follow. Keep it up, and we'll talk soon.
Can you send me a reminder in the morning?
No problem, David. I'll hold you to that standard. I'll give you a direct prompt in the morning to get you locked and loaded on those calls. Just remember, though, that reminder's just a nudge. The real drive's got to come from you executing no matter what. We'll set that reminder, and then you go nail it. Let's get after it.
Thanks. Let's go.
That's the attitude, David. We're in this to win it. So we'll kick off tomorrow with that reminder, and then you go all in and hit those targets. Just remember, comfort kills progress, and you're here to push past that comfort zone. Let's get it done. I'll check in with you in the morning.
What'd you think of that, huh? She's pretty tough, right? Imagine that. Now, here's the good news. I designed her personally for me. I like that style of aggressive coaching, holding me accountable, not taking any bold. Now, for you, if that doesn't work for you, understandable. We can tailor it specifically to what you're looking for. Somebody that will guide you along, understand your goals, understand your processes, your KPIs, will help you build that. If you're interested, there's a link down below. You can schedule a 15-minute strategy session with me or my team. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're looking for an AI coach for yourself, click on that link, schedule a quick 15-minute strategy call with me or my team. We'll explain how it works, and if it's a great fit, we'll get started for you right away. Have a great rest of your day. Subscribe now, and let's get you accountable now.